Hey Ventures, welcome back to my journey as a resident of Earth. So why are these people trying to mess with my trip? I mean, I know I've had it good because I've been on the road for 7 months and I haven't had any issues with transactions and cards. I think it was a couple months ago or maybe a month or so ago while I was in India, and I tried to use the ATM because I was doing something a that required cash. And when I tried to use the ATM, I found out that my debit card expired sometime last year. But I've been using my credit card primarily as for funding. So yeah, everything has been working out fairly well since I left the U.S. But just a few minutes ago, I just finished recording that my reflection on the whole Cowboy Carter tickets for going for almost 500,000 points. And then I grabbed my computer and I was about to do something, and I saw there was a text message on my phone telling me that a transaction was declined for $3 and change. So naturally, I called the credit card company immediately. And while I was calling them, I also logged in to check the transaction history. And it looked like there was a whole slew of attempts at to charge on my card, where there's a 20, there's a 23, there's a 13, there's a 19, there's just a whole bunch of transactions that they were trying at, and it's supposedly Pay Mobile somewhere in Egypt, some fast food location in Egypt, that they were just swiping away using my credit card. So now my main card that I have been using, which I like to use my Bonvoy card because of the points, is now gonna be shut down because these people got into my card. I don't know how they got into my card, but I guess it did finally happen that they got access to my card, and now yeah. So now I'm gonna have to go. That the company says that they are gonna try to send a card to me in a few days. They're gonna try to UPS it. So I had to give them the address to the hotel where I'm gonna be in a few days. Hopefully by the time I get there, the card will arrive, and yeah, I'll keep you posted. But that was a definite damper on my day because things have been going so well, and yeah. But I guess that's a part of traveling where it is a risk that you take. And that's why even though everyone is always saying, yeah, you can use their debit card, you can get, just use your debit card at ATMs, you can do this, you can do that. But during my whole journey, I've been very hesitant about using my debit card, hence why I didn't even know it expired. um, but I use my credit card because of the fraud protection, and even though my debit card does have fraud alerts and all that other stuff too, but I use my credit card because they do have the fraud protection. And immediately once I reported that, hey, I don't know these transactions, I'm not in Egypt, they did I guess credit the account for the charges, and they are opening the case to, I guess, address the situation. But yeah, this is how my day is starting. So I have one more day of exploring to do today, and tomorrow I fly out to my next location. But these people are really making this day difficult. But that's where I am today. So that's how my day is starting. Until then, bon voyage to me and to you.